Hello, my good friends. Larry here from Larry's Fountain Pen Review. And what I'm going to do today is not a review on the Lamy Dialog 3, but how to clean the Dialog 3 a little bit easier. In the past, you had to unscrew your pen, and I'll do that now. And however which way you did, well, I would unscrew my whole unit, and I would, of course, clean this out using my bulb syringe or dipping it in water. But the hardest part in cleaning out the Lamy Dialog 3 is the cap where the nib fits in, right in here. So, here is a metal ring, and thank you to Youth Appelboom from the Netherlands. I needed this ring to clean out my Lamy Dialog 3, and here it is. So, and here's how this works, and it really is handy. You're going to screw this ring in, the metal ring, and you're going to twist it. Now watch here. I'll keep on twisting, and you see that open up? I'm going to close it, and you see it, there's closed. Okay, let's open it up one more time. Now it's open. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to get this bulb syringe with water. Now, I would normally put this under the sink and wash it out with warm water, but I'm not in the bathroom, so we're just going to pretend. And you have to leave that in there till you get through cleaning the cap part out. If you want to do it, reverse it, you can. Now, this is the first time that I've ever been able to do this. So easy. Very easy. And that's all it is. And voila, I'm done. It doesn't get any simpler than that. So, what I'm going to do next, while I have the pen out, let's go ahead and get this pen cleaned out. Some people would just suck the water up and expel it as such. Also, what I would do, and you got to be careful on the sides, they're opening there, so you always put my thumb and finger over it. To get that cleaned out. And this is how I do mine. Okay, so it's good to go. That's that. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. And clean that out a little bit. Yeah. Sweet. I should have got a shorter cup. All right, that should be good enough because I'm going to use the same ink, so I'm not worried about it. We're all clean and ready to go. Here we go again. I'll open it up to make sure I get any excess water out of there.
This ring that you used there, did that come with the pen, or
No.
you had to get it extra?
Yeah. So I think they're coming. Don't hold me on this. They might be coming now with the Lamy Dialog 3. I'm not sure. But if you buy a Lamy Dialog 3 from Appleboom, I can't say of anybody else, you might want to ask them about the metal ring for the Lamy Dialog 3. I mean, it's a great gadget. It makes it so much simpler. It is superb. Easy, quick, efficient. That's a good thing that Lamy has come up with. And voila. There's the nib out, and I can take the converter out. So let's go ahead and get the nib back in, out, all day long. And this closure right here, as you see here, will help keep the nib from drying out. So that's pretty cool. And you can get different size nibs. I also believe, extra fine, medium, broad, oblique medium, oblique broad. But when you're buying from any pen site, maybe Appleboom, Pen Chalet, Ghost Spot Pens, whoever carries the Lamy, you might want to ask them, do you have that nib available? Is it in stock? So they can tell you, because not, and you want that nib, you might have to wait a few weeks for them to get that nib in. It just depends how fast they can get that nib in, especially with the pandemic going around today. The mail is a little bit slower, okay? Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I really enjoyed learning about the metal ring for the Lamy Dialog 3. A very useful gadget. And thank you, Lamy, for coming up with this cool idea. Makes it a whole lot simpler. Because previously, it was so hard for me to clean this out. And I knew I wasn't really giving it a good cleaning, but it was decent. But now, it's clean. Thank you for joining me on Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews on cleaning the cap of the Lamy Dialog 3 with the metal ring. Bye-bye.